What's up, guys? There's a lot of snow outside. Check it out. We're gonna see if we can get through this stuff. It's pretty awesome. Look at all this snow, guys. Holy crap. Over a foot of snow. Shit. Well, look at all this. Wow, look at the Z. It's complete. Like, got tidal waves. Wow. Look at the road. Holy crap. It's like a foot and a half of snowdrift. Can the Pontiac make it through it? I don't know, guys. I don't know. Ooh. Just testing water. I can't see. Okay, I can't see anything out of my mirrors. This is bad. Alright, guys, taking the Pontiac through a foot of snow. Hey guys, we got hit with a monster snowstorm over here, so a lot of snow. Wow, wow. Look at all that. Wow. They need to come. Wow, this is great. That Z won't make it fucking anywhere in that shit. It'll be plowing like crazy. Alright guys, it's like round 2. Oh, it's going. We got some road. Hear the alternator kicking in. Wow. It's going. Seems like a car came through here before. We're just going around the bend because I know we won't do so hot. Hey, someone drove down there. Must have been a truck. This is so fun. Power mode! Alright. My back windshield wiper. Oh yeah, go baby go. Look at that snowdrift, these are crazy. Slip, 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 that's what it's saying, slip. Tell me to reverse, I can't see shit. Wow. This is crazy, guys. What's up, guys? Welcome back to Dream Daily. Supposedly we're supposed to get 6 to 10 inches of snow. Well, never believe in the weatherman because I'm dressed up like a freaking Eskimo and stuff, and it's crazy outside. Remember, I took the car outside. We only got down the road a little bit because the Pontiac wouldn't make that much because there's a lot of snow, like 1.5 foot drift. Well, I think they lied. Let's go take a look. Yeah, there's 1.5 foot of snow, guys. Or there's 6 to 10 inches of snow. We got like 2+ feet of snow out here. Look at this shit. The weatherman lied, guys. That Z isn't going nowhere. Sorry. And the guy only did 1 pass. Look at that. Look, there's like 5 feet of snow on top of the car. Holy shit. Whoa. Almost dropped the phone. Well, that's crazy. That's crazy. Alrighty, guys. So, I mean, the Pontiac can go through it a little okay, but it has trouble over deep snow. It's like, that's what we need a truck for, guys. That'd be so freaking fun to go out in a giant snowstorm. Also very dangerous, though, but also very fun. Also, if you have friends to go do it with and go play around in the parking lot and stuff. But I hope you guys enjoy the little snow vid. We're getting packed with snow like crazy. But see you guys all in the next video. Make sure you guys like, follow, subscribe. Later.